Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Snapchat application on your iPhone. In order to download Snapchat application for your iPhone, first, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, tap Open App Store. In the search bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in Snapchat and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed at the very top of the screen. This one's the app that we're looking for. Tap on the download button in order to get the download process started for your application on your iPhone. Snapchat is an American multimedia instant messaging software and service. One of the most prominent quality of Snapchat is that photographs and messages are typically only viewable for a brief period of time before they are lost to their recipients. Wait until the app gets downloaded on your smartphone. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so always be sure to be connected to a strong and stable internet whenever you are downloading an application. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Snapchat application for your iPhone. How to log into Snapchat application using your iPhone. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap Open Snapchat application from your app drawer. The first interface of Snapchat will look like this. Go to the login button if you want to log into your account if you have an existing account for Snapchat, but if you don't, you'll need to tap on the sign up button and register yourself in order to create a new account for Snapchat. Once you tap on the login button, this will be your login area for Snapchat on the next page. Type in your username or your email address that is associated with Snapchat into the first text box. Once you do that, you'll need to type in your password on the next field. Make sure to type in the correct password that you created for your Snapchat account. Once you're done entering your credentials and it is correct, tap on the login button in blue. But in case you've forgotten your password and you don't know how to log into your account, simply tap on Forgot Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts to retrieve your password back for Snapchat. Once tapping on the login button, wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to find yourself inside your camera screen of Snapchat. How to add Snapchat link on your Facebook. To add Snapchat link to your Facebook is quite simple. Open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you are logged into your profile. Now tap on the emoji or the bitmoji at the top left-hand corner from your camera screen, and right under your Snapchat name, you'll be able to see your username. Make sure that you remember the username for your Snapchat account, and once you know it, go and tap Open Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account as well. And once you're inside, go and tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. This will open up your Facebook profile. Tap on Edit Profile with a pencil icon in it and scroll all the way down until you see the Links option. Tap on Add right next to Links, and under Social Links, tap on Add Social Link. Now, you'll be able to see your platform drop down. Give it a tap and select Snapchat from the options. Make sure to enter your Snapchat username in the text box beneath. Once you enter your username for your Snapchat account, you'll be able to link your Snapchat to Facebook. Also, make sure to select your privacy settings by tapping on this drop down at the top. And if you want to share your Snapchat links with publics, make sure to select public. Tap on the save button at the top right hand corner after you are done, and that way you'll be able to add Snapchat link to your Facebook. How to half swipe on Snapchat. If you want to read a Snapchat message without informing the sender, then the half swipe on Snapchat helps you partially open the message in order to read it before the person knows that you've read their messages. Simply go and tap Open your Snapchat application to begin. Make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat app, and once you are, swipe towards the right hand side of the screen in order to open up your chats. Now, find the message you want to half swipe. Gently place your finger on the sender's bitmoji icon and then swipe towards the right hand side. But make sure that you should not release your finger. You'll be able to read all of the messages from their chat screen without informing the person that you've read the message. Now, after you are done, simply swipe towards the left hand side of the screen, and that's how you can half swipe on Snapchat and check your Snapchat messages without notifying the sender that you've read the message. How to know who rewatched your Snapchat story. Tap Open Snapchat application to begin. Now, From the main camera screen, tap on the circle-shaped story icon on the top left-hand corner. You'll be able to see My Stories tab. Simply tap on the My Story option. You'll be able to see the number of viewers on your story right next to the eye-shaped icon. If you open up your story, you'll be able to see the number of person that viewed your story right next to the eye icon at the bottom left. If you tap on that, you'll be able to see the name of the Snapchatter displayed. Snapchat only shows you the number of people on your friend list who viewed your story at least once. You can also see the names of the people that viewed your story and figure out who has not viewed your story yet as well. But you won't be able to know who rewatched your story on Snapchat. Your friends and family can view the 24-hour-long story on your profile, and you'll also have all the option to see how many people viewed it and who viewed it, but there is no way of knowing if someone replayed your story on Snapchat. How to log into Snapchat without verification code. Snapchat is one of those apps that wants you to verify your identity via a verification code. So if you want to log in without a verification code on Snapchat, then you can only do this if you're trying to log into Snapchat with a device that Snapchat recognizes. If you're trying to use a new device, Snapchat will want to verify your identity, so make sure to use a device you've used previously to log into Snapchat if you want to log in without verification code. If you've changed your mobile number or your phone number and you are trying to log into your Snapchat, in that case, you might have some problem since you won't be able to receive the verification code on the new number that you are trying to change to. In that case, simply contact Snapchat support. Open up your email service provider, or you can also go open up your SMS app and create a new message. In my case, since I'm doing this via Gmail, let me tap on Compose button with a pencil icon in it at the bottom right. Right where it says to, type in support@snapchat.com and in the subject, type in account recovery. Compose your email, explain that you want to log in without your verification code on Snapchat, and you can also mention that you have recently changed your phone number, and while logging into Snapchat, it asks for your verification code, which is unavailable to you right now since you've changed your phone number. You can simply elaborate this situation in the text box. Make sure to go to the details about the problem. Once you state your problem, simply tap on the send button at the top right and wait for a couple of hours so that Snapchat can get back to you with the solution. If you already have an access to your verification code but still you'd want to disable the verification code that will be asked every time you log in, then you can easily do this from your Snapchat application. Simply tap open your Snapchat app and make sure that you are logged in. Tap on the Bitmoji at the top left-hand corner and tap the gear button at the top right. Give it a tap where it says two-factor authentication. Once you're in this page, make sure to disable the button right next to SMS verification and tap on OK in the pop-up. Once you disable the two-factor authentication on your Snapchat, next time you log into your Snapchat, you won't be asked for the verification code. Simply tap on Login and you'll be logged into your Snapchat application after disabling the two-factor authentication. How to change the friend emoji on Snapchat. Whenever you're trying to send and receive snap from a friend on Snapchat, you may notice an emoji applied to your chat listing. It represents the type of relationship you have based on your Snap activity. You can easily customize these emojis using the following steps. Simply tap open your Snapchat app from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. Tap on your profile icon or your Bitmoji located at the upper left-hand corner, and once you do that, tap on the gear icon at the top right-hand corner to access your settings. Scroll down from this page and tap on Manage under Additional Services. Now, simply tap on Friend Emojis option. You'll see a list of emojis and a description of relationship they represent for your Snapchat chats. Tap on any emoji to change. Let me tap on this BFF emoji. Now, tap on the emoji that you want to represent and tap the back button. As you can see that I have successfully changed the emoji for BFF right now. Similarly, you can also repeat the step for as many friends emoji you want to change, and that is how you can easily change your emoji or your friend's emoji on your Snapchat application. Pretty quick and easy, wasn't it? How to be best friend on Snapchat. If you want to get one of your Snapchat friends onto your best friend list, then the best friend on Snapchat means the list of the top 6 people with whom you interact the most frequently. If you want to get one of your Snapchat friends on your best friends list, then the first thing to do is to open up Snapchat, tap the Snapchat icon or your emoji icon at the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and this will open up your profile page. The first step into being a best friend with someone is by adding them. Simply go to the bottom of the page, scroll a bit down and tap on add right next to the contact that you'd like to add on your Snapchat, or you can also start by accepting a friend request that you received. Remember that they must add you back in order to be friends on Snapchat. Now, the next step once you add a friend to your Snapchat is to go ahead and start sending snaps to your friend. Return to the camera page. Simply tap on the circle in order to take a snap, or you can also press hold the circle so that you can take a video right now. Now once you do that, tap on the send to button at the bottom right hand corner and send the snap to the particular friend you're trying to be best friends with. Now all you have to do is send the user several more photos or videos. Make sure to send them more snaps or videos frequently than to any of your other friends. The person that you're trying to contact must send you snaps as well, and if you keep doing this for a couple of days, you'll be able to be best friends on Snapchat. How to add someone on Snapchat. In order to add friend or someone on Snapchat, tap open your Snapchat application first. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, tap on your profile icon located at the upper left-hand corner. Now, scroll down to the Friends tab and tap on Add Friends. You can find the list of the contacts that has added you on Snapchat under the Added Me tab. If you want to accept the request, simply tap on accept and you'll be able to add someone who wants to be friends with you on Snapchat by simply accepting their request. If you want to quickly add someone that you know, you can easily add someone from the Quick Add tab as well. The friends recommendation in Quick Add are based on who you are already friends with, who you subscribe to, and other factors. If you find someone that you would like to add or someone that you know in this list, go ahead and tap on the Add button in order to add them on your Snapchat contact list. Simply tap on the Add button in order to do so. You can also add friends by snap code. A snap code is an image with a unique code in it that you can scan with Snapchat. If you already got a snap code of your friends, simply tap on the snap code icon right next to Find Friends at the very top and then tap on the photo with the snap code from your camera library. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the person who the snap code belongs to, and the person will quickly be added on your contact list on Snapchat. How to download videos from Snapchat. If you want to download videos from Snapchat, first let me tap open Snapchat application. Make sure to log into your account as well. Let's say if you've just recorded a video and haven't shared it yet and you'd like to save it on your camera roll, then here's how to do it. Let me first record a video. Now this one's the video that I'm trying to save. For example, tap on the save button which is facing downward at the bottom of the screen in order to save this photo or video on your camera roll. That way you'll be able to find the video in your camera roll right here as you can see it. That was one way to download your video from Snapchat. Another way is, for example, if you've already shared your video with friends but forgot to save it beforehand. So in that case, simply go to the main homepage of Snapchat and tap on your emoji at the upper left hand corner. Tap on the gear button in the upper right hand corner of the screen and tap on memories. From the main homepage of Snapchat, simply swipe up in order to view your memories. Now tap on the video that you want to save, and once you find the video, tap on the 3 dots at the top right hand corner of the screen and in the pop-up select edit. Now tap on this arrow button at the bottom of the screen and swipe towards the left side of the screen and you should see a button that says download. Give it a tap and you'll be able to download a video of your own on Snapchat. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.